Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Asif, Spine and Sports Injury Specialist. Today we are having Mr. Hardeep Singh. He is from Punjab and you can see his posture. He is having an ankylosing spondylitis. In ankylosing spondylitis, this is a kind of advanced stage of ankylosing spondylitis. You can see his spine. It is there almost since 15 years. 15 साल हो गए ना? So you can see his spine is absolutely, the angle is in kyphotic posture and his movement are absolutely gone. He can't even move right and left. He can't twist his spine. He can't bend forward. He can't. So it's in kind of fixed position. So normally in ankylosing spondylitis in advanced stage we called it's a bamboo spine, just like a bamboo. So there is no movement at all. But what I am showing you this video is not that I am claiming that I can correct this deformity completely, but those who are having this problem, ankylosing spondylitis, it is for them to see the advanced stage of ankylosing spondylitis. So if you have ankylosing spondylitis or you have been diagnosed ankylosing spondylitis, so please do take care of yourself and do the proper treatment of your ankylosing spondylitis. If you have been taking care from the beginning, if you are getting your treatment along with the stretching exercises, and initially if you are getting your chiropractic adjustment, then so definitely you will not reach to this stage, because this has been the case of negligence since last 15 years. It's not his fault. He's been going to the doctor, he's been on the medications and all, but maybe he was not doing a regular exercises, he was not taking care of the posture and all that. So this is the advanced form of the ankylosing spondylitis. One should not reach to that stage, because once you reach to that stage, when your spine has become totally stiff and it's become like a bamboo spine, then it's difficult to help you in this scenario. But definitely we can help you if you come in the beginning of this problem to us. So we'll try to do some adjustment for him, and we'll see how much we will be able to do for him. Okay. So you can see when he's lying down, you can see his angle. He is not able to lie down straight. If he is lying down on his tummy, you can see this gap because his spine is absolutely stiff. तो कोई लोड तो नहीं आई ऐसे? ठीक है क्या? ठीक है। हाथ में तो पीछे कर सकते हो। We are trying to do the activator, a mechanical adjuster, because he is in too much pain also. He is complaining of lot of pain. He is not able to sleep in the night. Convert related. देखिए हाथ में बाहर निकालो, मेरे पास से। You can see he is totally stiff. He is not able to move at all. Relax, relax. इसको बेंड करो। इस पैर नीचे वाले पैर को सीधा करो, रिलैक्स करो, ढीला छोड़ो। We can do some mobilization. लूज, हाँ बिल्कुल ढीला छोड़ो, सांस लेके सांस छोड़ो। सांस लेके सांस छोड़ो, सांस लेके, दूसरी तरफ टर्न करो। Because his spine is totally fused, so we can't break the bridges straight. इसको सीधा करो। पकड़ो हाथ को, ढीला छोड़, लूज, टाइट नहीं करना है, ढीला रखो, ढीला छोड़ो, लूज, हाँ लूज, ढीला, लूज, You can see the angle of his lower spine and angle of his neck. Absolutely he can't even lie down straight. It's very difficult for him to sleep in the night. Either on the sideline he can sleep, he can't sleep even in the straight. ढीला छोड़ो, लूज, lose. Better. चलो so you can see I'm not able to do much manipulation on his spine. The whole idea is to show you this video, so then whoever is suffering with this problem, so please don't avoid your treatment, don't delay it, because if you will reach in this stage, then it's very difficult to help you, but definitely we can help you in the stage 1, stage 2. So please take care of yourself, and thank you all. Thank you very much for watching our video. Thank you.